Hi guys, welcome to Total Technik. In today's video we're going to be showing how to remove the electric window motor. That's the motor that's tucked in behind the door card here. This is for the Audi A6, S6 and RS6. This is the C5 Saloon and Avant models. Now obviously the first thing we've got to do with this is the door card does have to be removed to give us access to the motor. Thankfully on the C5 here the door cards are really easy to remove. One of the easiest of kind of any Audi that you hope to work on really. So you can get these door cards removed in sub 5 minutes each, you really can. So we've already filmed a video on the door card removal for you. We'll add a link for you below this video on YouTube. So if you're unsure how to remove your door card panel, go and check that video out, come back and then we can have a look at the actual removal of the motor. So let's go. So to remove the electrical connector from the electric window motor here, you see we've got a little tab that you just push in there. You've actually got the same on the rear on this one. So you've got to pinch those two together. Wiggle the whole thing and that connector will come free like so. So holding the electric window motor into situ we have these Torx screws. And there's 3 of them. So what we're going to do is zip these out quickly like so. So there's this one at the top and then you've got 2 just at the bottom of this circular section here. So get all 3 of those removed. So we're ready to remove this. As you may have noticed the end of the motor here sits within this brace just here, and it makes it kind of quite tight and difficult to get this out. So what you want to do is feed a screwdriver. I'm just going to use that as a lever between the black and the white, and when you come to lever this off, if you pull this motor back towards this mounting where it's stuck in this rubber grommet at the end here, it will compress there and it will make it a little bit easier to get the main spindle out. So if we prise that out, I'm going to pull like so. I'll just remove that. So there you can see this is the main spindle. Obviously makes the window go up and down here, and this is the section that's in this rubber grommet just here. So say if you push it towards that rubber grommet, then it will help get this out, because it's quite long and it's kind of very tight. As you see when you come to refit it, you've actually got to push quite hard this way to actually get the spindle back in. So obviously to help you remove it, doing the same thing in reverse, you're pushing it that way and then pulling it out. So that is it. That is your electric window motor removed.